video, we'll show you how to access and get to all of the cleanout areas on your Comfort-Bilt HP42 pellet stove. As always, remember to unplug the unit from power before doing any service work. Something that's kind of interesting on the stove, and nowhere does it talk about it in the owner's manual, is what these two things are. These are cover plates, and the screws that are on them are not screwed in. They're just placeholders for the cover plate. See? So the cover plate just sits there, and those screw holes just go through this triple wall right here. It just sets in there like that, and it comes right out. There's also another one, same thing. You can pull both of these out. There's the side, and then we got what's going on down here. Now there are heat exchange tubes that actually go down the back side of the stove, and these little wing nuts right here are your pull rods for cleaning those heat exchange tubes. In the center of the screen, so the covers that we took off from inside the hopper are located right here in this area. Turning, and by turning that, it will knock all the ash down into the collection area, which is right down here at the very bottom. You just spin them around a little bit, and you go up and down with them. Basically rattle it. Do those first, and then you're going to use a Torx 25 to open up the bottom. Now, the gasket that is used for this is not adhered to the plate, which it should be. If you don't have a new gasket on hand, here is how you save it. Just kind of feel around for the outside of the opening, and you're going to make one cut down, and then you're going to make a second cut down, and then you're going to make one cut across the top, and then you can peel it backwards, and it will stay adhered just like so. You can clean out through here. You can put a long extension. This goes all the way over to the other side. Then you will close this back up, and these screws should be removed once a year. Put a little bit of anti-seize on them before you put them back in. On the front of your Alpine 42, there's going to be a hidden scraper rod to clean the ash off of the heat exchange tubes that are on the inside. You simply pull that back and forth a few times, and that knocks the ash free. You can remove the upper service panel by undoing these two screws, removing them. These are Torx 25, and then we will peel this way back gently. And as you can see, the gasket is adhered to the stove. To open this up without destroying it, what you're going to do is you're going to feel around the edge for the depression of the opening right there, just like that. And then we're going to take our knife, we're going to come down, our knife, come down, we're going to take our knife, and we're going to go across the top. And then we're going to peel this back. You can clean all of the stuff that fell across the top of this ledge right in here. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.